This is your introduction to close reading and annotating for 7th grade science. I realize you did this last year, but every teacher does it a little bit different. I'm going to model for you what I'm looking for as you annotate. Your annotations show me your path. So as you annotate with ideas, connections, and questions, I'm able to follow your thinking like breadcrumbs. So if we take a look at the article, what is energy? Introduction. What is always present but never visible? Energy. So my first thought there, energy, is I always think of lightning bolts or a light bulb, something to do with, energy. Because energy is a difficult concept to understand because it is not a concrete object you can see or touch. So I can't see it or touch it. So can't see it, can't touch it. But I can see the effects of it through light bulbs, like over here. To understand what energy is, you must first understand what it does. That is, although energy isn't visible, you can detect evidence of energy. So what we see is the evidence of energy. For example, jumping, moving a wheelchair, eating, and singing all require energy. But each of these is a different type of energy. So there's different energies. Different energy. Because I do something different when I jump, when I move a wheelchair, that's different. And when I'm eating and singing, those are all different kinds of energy. So then my question is, what are the different types of energy? Non-living things also use energy. A clock, vacuum cleaner, and mechanical toys all require energy to move. But these non-living things use a different type of energy from these things up here. So that means that these things here, a vacuum cleaner, a clock, and mechanical toys, get their energy from somewhere else. So where do these things get their energy from? Work is involved whenever anything moves a distance and energy is needed to do work. Therefore, energy is defined as the ability to do work. So energy is the ability to do work. And that's in bold, so that seems to be pretty important. Again, since this is a review from last year, I'm really not going to go over this much more. But at this point, if you're done, go ahead and get a copy of the article that we're looking at today for close reading. And we'll go through the process as a class, and I'll show you more about how we finish up.